our business partners. About 20 million.
They think we're all involved, don't they?
No, just you, counselor. You.
Most of the characters are damaged goods. I'm not saying they're crooks, but they're not absolutely straight either.
Rolling. Ready and action.
The counselor, his main sort of weakness is he thinks he's smarter than he is.
I don't intend to take this up as a trade. Yeah, one-time deal, right?
It's all to do with greed. That's one of the subtexts in the movie.
If you pursue this road, you will come to moral decisions that will take you completely by surprise.
My character, Rainer, is really facing a moment in his life where he's thinking he has control over everything, including people. He's harming a lot of people. He's harming himself. I always liked smart women, but it's been an expensive hobby.
Greed really takes you to the edge, doesn't it?
Malkina is basically a sociopath. She's very smart. She sees all the opportunities.
You should be careful what you wish for, Angel. You might not get it.
What's the buyout for this whole deal?
100 million.
Suddenly, everything he thought he knew, he didn't know at all. There's a danger to that.
The slaughter to come is probably beyond our imagining.
Have you been bad?
The counselor thinks he can make a bit of quick cash, and there's consequences to it.
Where the bodies are buried in the desert, that is a certain world. Where the bodies are simply left to be found, that is another.
This cartel, it exists, and it's a dangerous place.
Once you're in, there's no coming back out. I think you gotta be very careful.
That sort of blind arrogance that he's got will cost him dearly at the end.
Above all things, it's a morality tale. It's really fresh because it really makes you think.
Action.
Working with Ridley has been an amazing experience.
They want to kidnap you, not kill you.
He's just very imaginative.
He's a masterful director.
This instance, I had the goal. First of all, look at the cast. This is epic.
They can't hook me onto this thing.
How bad is it?
Well, it's too late, counselor. It's too late.